Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out top gainers on the Cryptopay application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the portfolio button down below on the left side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the top gainers section. Tap on explore assets. And here you can find the asset name, the last 24 hours, and the price and change. If you are interested in any of these assets in more details, all you have to do is clicking on the relevant one, and after that you will be able to check out the price, description about the asset, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.